the 2012 Jeep Compass, the 2000 or 2.4 liter, and there's two oxygen sensors. There's the upstream, which is right here. Your engine bay, your upstream is right here. And this one's easy to get to. And then you have your harness right here. So this is your upstream, and then it's really easy to get to as long as it comes out. They make these special oxygen sensors, removal tools to get around the wires. So that's the upstream. Coming from this side is down behind the engine. So that one you can get to. So this one, so there's the second one, the downstream. So what I did, I used this, I don't know why these don't come in 1/2 inch, but I used a 3/8 on your socket like here. And then I got the left side jacked up. And then bringing this down in here. So the trick is to this is you have to put this on the O2 sensor, and then before sliding this all the way on, connect this into here. But so you can't get this on all at once. Here, I'll show you. I'm just gonna put it on here. To doing this shit with one hand is all right. Hard enough. Alright, that's all I was doing, is putting that on there. This is a 3/8 inch breaker. So yeah, if you crawl in from the door and then bring this in here, and then there's your downstream on the exhaust. So there's enough room. I'm getting a phone call and I can't see. So yeah, there's enough room to get this on there to get a breaker bar on to loosen it. So like I said, you put this on before you put it all the way over the O2 sensor, and then get that in there so you can get your socket on there, because there's not a lot of room. And then your cable is right here. That cable was harder to get out than cracking that loose. This is a 22. Once I cracked it loose, I used a 22 millimeter to get it out all the way. And you have to unplug it first because the cord spins, so you can't keep spinning it, otherwise the cord will get twisted. So I popped it out of the thing, and then right there where that zip tie is, that's where it's like plugged in. I don't know, I was having a pain getting it out of the clip, so I just popped it off and then zip tied it back down and made sure the wire is out of the way. But there's room to get that, to get a 3/8 breaker bar, and then that O2 socket that they come with on there. So that's where it's located, and that's how I got it out. And yeah, just get that clip off, be patient, and hopefully that clears my codes.